Air conditioner running but room not cold enough? Or hearing unfamiliar sounds? There's probably a simple solution. The settings and features on your model may vary. Before getting started, make sure to remove all packaging materials. If just installed, allow the air conditioner to sit upright for 1 hour before operating. Does the air not feel cold enough? Check these few things to ensure your air conditioner is running as it should. The inside temperature of the room must be above 62 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius. If you just changed your modes and settings, wait 3 minutes for the compressor to start running again. If your air conditioner is running but ice is forming on the cooling coil, here are our top tips. The outdoor temperature may be below 62 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius. You can easily defrost the coil by putting the unit in fan-only mode. Your air filter may be dirty and it's time to clean, or the temperature may be set too low for nighttime cooling. The exhaust duct may not be fully connected or blocked. If your air conditioner is running but the room seems too warm, check the following. Your air filter may be dirty, or the louvers may not be in the correct position for air distribution. Refer to your use and care manual to learn more about adjusting your vents or louvers. Ensure the front of the air conditioner is not blocked and restricting airflow. Hearing unfamiliar sounds? These are usually a part of normal operations. Air movement sound is perfectly normal. To minimize the sound, you can set the fan setting lower. You may hear vibration if the unit is sitting on an uneven floor. Move or support the portable air conditioner to an even surface. Last, remote not responding? The remote has a range of 16 feet, so please ensure you're not too far from the unit when using the remote. It may also be time to change the batteries. We're here to help. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online at the Frigidaire website.